tonight is our Crest flight night. We're out here flying drones, we have hot air balloons, some grade levels are making paper airplanes, we have hoop gliders, we have all things that fly. It's just a fun family engagement night. We have Quick Trip as a sponsor for hot dogs. We have free books for our students for the summer.
So they asked me to bring our drone out, and I brought our newest, biggest drone out, to kind of show it off. This, like I said, this is our biggest one. It has about a 55-minute flight time, best case scenario, thermal imaging, 200 times zoom. And like I said, we use it for search and rescue, criminal apprehensions, what else? Kids walk away from their homes, runaways, pretty much anything that we can supplement our patrol officers with.
We just love this night because our families get to come to Crest on the playground and bring their lawn chairs and relax and enjoy spending time as a family.